Prime Minister Modi, my good friend Narendra, I want to wish you a happy birthday. You've accomplished so much for India in your life, and we have together accomplished a great deal in the friendship between India and Israel. I look forward to seeing you soon because we can bring our partnership and our friendship to even greater heights. Happy birthday, my friend.
Kia ora, namaskar, my good friend Prime Minister Modi. Congratulations on your 75th birthday from me and all of your friends across New Zealand. A milestone like this is a moment to reflect on the wisdom of your leadership as you seek to guide India towards becoming a developed country by 2047. I'm really excited about New Zealand partnering more with India to achieve that vision as we look to ensure both our great nations achieve the security and also the prosperity that we seek. I hope I might be able to reciprocate the very warm hospitality you extended to me in March by hosting you here in New Zealand. But in the meantime, I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
It is a great pleasure to wish Prime Minister Modi a happy 75th birthday. In these uncertain times, we all need good friends, and Modi ji has always been a good friend to me and to Britain. I'm delighted to see UK-India ties going from strength to strength. I know we both enjoyed the recent England-India Test series, a reminder of how many things our two countries share. As someone from a British-Indian family, this relationship will always have a special place in my heart. I'll always remember fondly travelling to India as Prime Minister for the G20 in 2023 with Akshata. It was a superb event, befitting India's standing on the world stage. So Modi ji, I wish you all the very best for your birthday and look forward to seeing you soon.
Happy birthday, dear Prime Minister Modi. Let us build an even stronger partnership between India and the European Union.
Your Excellency, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, on the joyous occasion of your 75th birth anniversary, I extend my warmest and most heartfelt congratulations. May this milestone be accompanied by continued health, abundant strength, and divine blessings as you carry forward your extraordinary mission of service to your people, to the global South, and to humanity at large. Your leadership has been nothing short of transformative. In a world often defined by imbalance, you have emerged as a resolute voice for the global South. You have championed the causes of those whose concerns too often go unheard. You have given visibility, dignity, and traction to issues of immense importance for developing nations. You have reminded the world that the destiny of the South is inseparable from the future of the entire planet. Under your guidance, the relationship between India and Guyana has reached unprecedented heights. Our bonds are today stronger than ever, infused with a spirit of friendship, solidarity, and mutual respect. We in Guyana look eagerly to the deepening of the partnership, confident that it will yield enduring benefits for both of our peoples. On this special occasion, I wish you long life, renewed vigor, and many more years of inspired leadership. Leaders of your vision and stature appear but rarely in the course of history. You're indeed a blessing to humanity. May your journey continue to uplift your people and the rest of the world. And may we celebrate many more birthdays with you in the years ahead. Happy 75th birthday, Prime Minister. Please accept the assurances of my highest esteem.
Greetings, everyone. India and Dominica enjoy warm and very friendly relations. Global leader, statesman, and leading voice of the Global South. That is Prime Minister Modi. I had the opportunity to meet Prime Minister Modi on the margins of the second India-CARICOM summit in Guyana last year. We were glad to confer the highest national award of Dominica upon him for his support to Dominica during the COVID pandemic period, and generally for his contribution in strengthening Dominica-India relations. The world needs Prime Minister Modi's leadership now more than ever, and we will continue to enhance the relations between Dominica and India. Best regards and all the best to Prime Minister Modi and the great people of India.
Asura Wunijo, Mr. Shri Narendra Modi, Mingalava, Namaste. Suroye, Konasangane Muni Kadamayama, Suro Jama Chandabazi, Sure Dungan Soundari, Tumi Amyabazi, Lu Sumugang Tonle Bare, Suronine, Indian Nangadre, Nangadamu Sese, Sade Damu, Townsend Zinga Sabi, India Budurie, Lumusi Watu de Ao, Indian Nangaji, Gabat Haidan Nanga Piao, Bobby Sidon Union de Indian Nangaji Piao, Jusa Sound Pin and Camu Bomale, Wamelza, Gombu Abare, Asuro, Indian Nangana Manangadoha, Indian Nangamia Pidebien, she is in Nitown Chibi, said the Sasambu, the main sugar and Nangamia Pijabare. Asua Chin Sasai Damaga, Indian Nangamane, Yamanangandari, Pidu Chin Sasan Yiha, Music Yecha Nangamia Pijabare, Asuro, General Nangai Nangai Abianeri, the Baba Bay and the Kuni Keze Dungaduma, Asirone, Indian Nangandamia, Sana Nalemu, Yamanangabo, the Madama Jazwa, Tokan Yadi Bimudoha, Tambu Mopianine, Iniji Nigo, Sitamia Pide Dredjao, Genonine, Mamia Kuyumibare, Asiro, Asure Konsanganemia, Munimadi, Ni Yajo Dai Kusinelo Jama Chanda Zone, Indian Nangai Gaunju Digu, Southern Namazi, Sirone, Indian Nangadu Nangadamia Alu, Dai will be Pumudu de Indian Nangaji Piao, Piochens are Tisa Nanjabadi, Asura Gaunju Luin Sandari, Piso Bazi Jong, Asura Munima, Tamami Sudamida, Buddha Abare.
My good friend and senior Prime Minister Modi, happy birthday to you. You forever look young. As I said earlier, the leader of the Global South, keep on working hard, not just for India, but all of us from the Global South. May God give you many, many more years of good health and long life, and keep on working for your people and for the Global South. God bless you. Happy birthday today. Greetings from Papua New Guinea.
Your Excellency, I join our Gyaltsups, our national service men and women, and indeed all the people of Bhutan, in offering our warmest wishes on your 75th birth anniversary. On this happy occasion, we pray for Your Excellency's good health, happiness, and long life. Tashide.